Today we are unboxing the IQOS 2.4 Plus. Hold on to your butts. I picked up this bad boy on a recent trip to Japan and can't be happier with it. The packaging is iPhone levels of slick and slides out smoothly like pinching a loaf after a nice meal. Side note, why do unboxing videos care about the lid? No one cares about the lid. Toss that crap away, preferably into a neighbor's yard. Inside you can see the charger and the holder sitting on a little plastic tray. The charger and holder should have a little charge in them. My advice is to charge it up fully before using it. You don't want to mess around with your new toy by not charging the battery properly. The device buttons are all nice and firm. The gold Q button doesn't do anything, but I suspect links with an app in Japan. The device charges with a standard port for Android or anything that isn't an Apple product. Thanks for not pulling a Steve Jobs and using a stupid proprietary plug. Hashtag good guy IQOS. Like Pandora's box or a Martin Scorsese film, the IQOS has lots of levels to it. Inside is a bunch of instruction manuals in Japanese and English. There's a pamphlet for something called Line. I don't know what it is, but it probably is a nation social platform or something that's not very popular or successful. My stockbroker tells me that my MySpace and Friendster shares are going to take off soon. Good thing I dodged putting money into the Facebook IPO. It's so liberating being broke and making YouTube videos rather than Mark Zuckerberging around in a pool of money. Once you've come to terms with the fact that you don't know any Japanese and your waifu will never love you, eventually give up and go to the English instructions. It's okay to admit defeat, unless you're a Hanzo main, where you'll never admit you suck. There's a bunch of information about warranties. Entirely useless unless you live in the country you purchased it in. I thought the Rothschilds and the New World Order was supposed to solve these problems. Thanks for nothing. The instruction manual is actually pretty good. When you get through the first couple pages you get all the info about how the device works. For new buyers I'd recommend taking the time to read these, as IQOS has a lot of lights to indicate what's going on. It's simple enough, but give it a proper one so that you know what is happening on your device. I've tried to hold the booklet still for you to pause the video and read through. The troubleshooting is pretty good too. Now we are done with the manuals. Let's get back into the good stuff. Inside is a power adapter compatible with whatever country you purchased, and just use any wall charger to plug into the wall. After that you have your cleaner brush, complete with that stupid plastic stick that no one needs. Refer to my how to remove a stick video for why you don't need it. There's also a standard Android cable inside. If you're like me, you have dozens of these damn things, so this one will add to the mound of clutter in your house. Lastly is a cleaning tips. The most precious thing in the box after the device itself. So there you have it. Everything you get inside your IQOS 2.4 Plus. A slick and nifty box that you'll never use again and throw in the bin. Only to pause momentarily to wonder if consumerism is producing so much waste it's having an irreversible effect on the planet and its fragile ecosystems. No, me either. Lol.